All right, we're going to create a tutorial for drawing 4. We're going to open up SketchUp. We're going to make sure that we are on a feet and inches template. Delete our guy here. All right, the overall dimensions of drawing 4 are 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. So we can create a rectangle that is 3, 3. We're going to zoom in. Now, instead of push-pulling this object the entire height of 3, we're going to push-pull this to a height of 1. 1, enter. This is the base of our drawing. Before I do the top features, I think I'm going to draw in the bottom cutouts. From the corner on the bottom, you're going to come over 1 inch on the end point of that line, and you're going to come up a distance of 0.5. And then that opening is a distance of 1 inch. And then it comes back down. Now with the first one, we can use the push-pull tool and pull that shape all the way through the drawing. Now we need to do the same thing on this face. Use our pencil tool, come over a distance of 1, go up a distance of 0.5, and over a distance of 1. And we can bring it back down. Now, once you have the cutout in the center, you're not going to be able to push-pull through that cutout. So we're going to need to go halfway. It's going to leave this tab, so we're going to have to delete that line to create the cutout and delete the top line. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Come over a distance of 1. Make sure I have my corner there. Pencil tool, get our corner. There we go. A distance of 1 inch. Go up 0.5. Over a distance of 1. And back down. And we can push pull that part out and delete that piece. So the base of this is done. So we'll make this the front. We need to sketch the triangle feature. The first thing that we can start with is a line from the midpoint. So if I get close to the middle, it'll highlight the midpoint. And then I'm going to go straight up to a distance of 2 inches. That distance right there is the height of that triangle. Now I need to find the endpoints of that triangle. If I come in from that endpoint, 0.5, the endpoint there, I can connect that, and that's the edge of my triangle. I'll do the same thing on this side. Come in a distance of 0.5. Connect the endpoint to the peak of my triangle. Now I'm going to delete that line. Now that we have a triangle, we can push-pull this out a distance of 1 inch, and the triangle feature is done. Now we've got the rectangle that lives behind the triangle here, so I'm going to sketch that out on the surface. The one corner of that rectangle comes from the midpoint of this triangle feature, so I can click here at the midpoint and come down a distance of 1. Bring that line to the edge. Then I need to complete that shape. All right, once you sketch the rectangle, you should be able to push-pull that a distance of 2. If this doesn't work for you, you could also draw each line independently by using the pencil tool, coming out your distance of 1, and then drawing a vertical line a distance of 2. However you do that, as long as it comes out like this, is fine. The last part of this drawing is finding the center point of the cylinder. So I use the tape measure tool from the edge. I come down a distance of 0.75. And I'm going to come in a distance of 0.75. At the center point of the circle, we're going to create a circle. Now the diameter is 3/4, so that means the radius is 3 divided by 8. And now I can extrude that circle up a total distance of 2 inches. And that completes drawing 4.